angels, it's me, Jessie Ariel, and today I will be showing you how to do thick eyebrows. And the main product that I'll be using is the Got2b gel. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to brush your eyebrows up with a spoolie or eyebrow brush. And then once you're done doing that, you want to get an eyebrow razor and just shape around your eyebrow. This part is totally optional for the shaping for your eyebrow. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to go ahead and take my Got2b glue gel and put a small dab on the back of my hand. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my spoolie next and dab the spoolie on the small dab of my Got2b glue gel on my wrist. You do not need that much. Now I'm going to go ahead and just brush my eyebrows up as so. Then with the back of the spoolie of the eyebrow brush, I'm going to line up my eyebrows the way that I want. They should look thick still once you're done lining them up, and then afterwards, you just want to wait until they are dry. So now you're going to take some eyebrow powder pomade. I had this for a long time, so bear with me. I don't even know what the brand is because the label is faded. And then you're also going to need a dark brown pencil, and you can get one of these from your local beauty supply. I also don't know the brand of this either because the label is faded, but have some patience with me because I don't do makeup. So first you're going to get your pencil and underline the tail and the arch of your brow. The end part of our brow is the main part that needs to look full in this process. Then you want to go ahead and just take your pomade and an eyebrow brush and go like so. And then you want to just go ahead and just start filling in the arch and tail of the brow too. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer from Maybelline. The color is Dark Coffee 70 and Medium Moyen 25. I use more of the 25 than I do the 70, and I just mix them together. There really is no big difference once this is done, and I don't have a concealer brush, so I just go ahead and just take one of these old concealers that I barely use, and I'm going to use the brush to apply the concealer from the mixture that I just made onto my eyebrow. So I did kind of go over the line with this concealer on my eyebrow. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my pomade and just fix it really quick. Now, if you do mess up, it's not no big deal because the concealer literally is just to perfect it and to give it that sharp looking look. So you can just go over it again and just fix it. No big deal. So here's when I go ahead, I take some of my powder from NK Makeup. The color is chestnut. Basically, you want to get the color of your skin tone. And I'm going to take a separate brush and just cover up the concealer on my face so I will not be looking crazy. And then that is it, y'all. It just really nicely just blends in with everything, just so it can look like you do not have on makeup, you know, you don't have on concealer. Because remember back in the day when we used to be doing this and that it was cute, but it's not cute no more. So that's why we go ahead and use the powder to just cover up all the concealer, all the color that does not look like our skin color. And yes, angels, that will be the finished look. Tell me what you think in the comments. Leave a like and a comment. And I'll see you in the next video. And have a blessed day.